So our question today is related to COVID, considering the number of questions we get on COVID. So a lot of people are interested to know what are some traditional methods that we can use to keep ourselves safe, guard ourselves from COVID.
COVID 19, this new virus is whatever it has come into the human civilization and affecting us completely. There is no much studies available about this virus, even though they studied the virus. It's keep on mutating at the moment. It has broken up somewhere in October, November, 2 years back in 2019, and then many surge has been going on. Many mutations have also already taken place. So you are asking about the traditional method or whatever it is. Yeah. So what happens is everything COVID is when it attacks you, when it goes into your lung, and then if you ignore it and if it has to incubate itself in a larger manner, then it is start destroying your lung cells. So that's you have been completely blown off with the prana, that the oxygen needed to the body. That's a basic lifeline. Pranam is the basic lifeline. So at that time, what happens is, if whenever you go before the COVID, before 2019 October, when you go for blood test by the doctor, when you are affected with other viral fevers, you will see one column called neutrophils.
Right.
Neutrophils are the one will be on the higher side. Neutrophils should be around 4. It will be more 15, 16 and all that. So
Right.
whenever they see the neutrophils on the higher side, they know that there is some pathogen infection is there in you, virus infection. So now what's happening in COVID, if you see these videos are there in the YouTube, when you go and see the lung, when incubation has much taken place, because COVID tends to live in your lung, it goes to the other parts of the bodies also, but more so they incubate in the lung in a larger manner. So what happens when they start destroying the lung cells, the immune system, the WPCs and T cells, they produce a lot of neutrophils to protect the lung. So in cellular respiration, we have explained in one of our program about oxidative phosphorylation, where the cells receive glucose and then in the mitochondria they make the electron transport chain to convert that to ATP molecule. In that there may be some free radicals found which will damage the cell. Beyond that, if it is any malfunction happens and they produce the reactive oxygen, it's called the reactive oxygen species, which can destroy your cell completely. So these neutrophils in COVID, produce so much and sent to the lung by the blood. So they produce reactive oxygen species in huge numbers to attack the COVID virus. But these reactive oxygen species, along with the COVID, instead of killing the COVID-19 virus, whichever mutation it is happening inside, breeding inside, they go and destroy the cells much more than the COVID.
Right.
So the smashing down of the lung cells take place in a huge manner. COVID is destroying one side, reactive oxygen species produced by the neutrophils happening the other side, so the lung fails very fast. This is where our own immune system is creating something to kill the virus, which is killing our own cells.
Right.
Okay. So this is what I want you to understand. Why people so rapidly succumb to death within a day or 2 or 3, whatever, with certain strong variants, mutated variants. This is what exactly is happening inside your lung. So you are talking about the traditional way of doing things. It is all depends on your immune power. Immune power is very important. As you know that red arsenic is the only component in the ancient science which is capable of killing any type of virus in the world.
Right.
Yeah, any type of virus in the world. Now in Siddha system of medicine, if you see, there are a lot of medicines are produced with red arsenic. Normally the modern science, allopathy, science, pharmacology do not go anywhere near red arsenic. Red arsenic is one of the most brilliant component, and provided if you know how to use it in what dosage.
Right.
So say suppose there is a medicine called Sivanar Amritam or Sivanar Avridam, whatever, that medicine is by Karura. It is a very good medicine which has a very small amount of red arsenic. If you can, it's a oral medicine. It can be sniffed also as a Nazium, they call it. That powder you can take a size of 2 mustard seed and sniff it in either of your nose. Pull it strongly inside, which goes and kills all the virus load in your skull region, and then the throat region, the adenoid, and the thoracic region. So if you can have it in the morning and evening, you can very nicely protect yourself. Beyond that, the COVID has to come because of this very small microns of this red arsenic there in your system. By sniffing this, will not allow any type of variant of COVID to incubate and breed itself. Your COVID attack will be very mild, and within 2-3 days you will become all right. You don't go to any serious illness. And I would rather say that good amount of exercise by keeping your lung expanded and all that stuff also is one of the greater techniques to keep your immune power upright. If the immune power is good in a person, any pathogen can come in, will be handled very effortlessly by the mechanism of your antibodies and your immune system, where the spleen is the headquarters. If a person has a strong spleen, he can combat virus without medicine, because that is why they give you Zincovite now, because spleen is zinc power. Yeah, that's why they give you Zincovite, to promote your immune system, because the lymphatic system in the body headquarters, the components, the organs which is involved in lymphatic system is adenoid, tonsils, thymus, appendicitis, and spleen. Spleen is the headquarters. There is lymphatic system, capillaries run all over your body, where lymphatic fluids are running.
Right.
It's a big system. You can go and study the lymphatic system in the internet, or you can go and see videos on the lymphatic system, how exactly the mechanism is built in all parts of the body to help us fight all unwanted bacteria, viruses and pathogens, whatever you call it, the microorganisms. If that system is good and strong, you will be able to withstand COVID. You will not die. You can easily combat it. So today's scenario, the civilization, whether it is in rural or urban, our immune power is not good enough because of various chemical contaminations which has happened in every respective field after the turn of Second World War, where the research works have gone very high and more sophistication were brought in by using artificial chemicals in every respective field, which had its own impact on our healthier life, which has reduced our immune power to a large extent. This is one of the reasons. Thank you.